had 9 children in from local schools on the Skills Week, and the objective of that was to bring children into the company, let them see what it's all about, let them get a feel for engineering, sort of just show them what we do in here ourselves, and show them what they can sort of build up.
I think Skills Week is very good to showcase the difference between real life and what is being taught at school. Most of them think that engineering is about sitting near a computer and make things just happen. What they don't realize is only a few of them going to be able to do that who have been committed to science like from the very early age. Most of them who's going to be involved in engineering going to have a hands-on job.
They had to build it was a trebuchet. We were split into teams. There's 3 teams of 2 and I had the team of 3. And we all sort of gave instructions, worked together as a unit to build this final product.
To be a tutor for a week was a new experience. I did enjoy progressing on the new areas which I'm not really used to, like team leading, teaching and supervising. And to feel respect from kids, it also feels nice. Then I feel that I'm doing something right.
Like it's going from my boss Andy, he's teaching us obviously, he knew the struggles of how it was to teach us, and now we're obviously being put in his position, showing what he's taught us to then teach to these kids and hopefully get them interested in engineering.
Teaching others also helps to improve my personal main skills. Observing someone else working from third perspective gives me a chance to observe their mistakes and their methods, which I can reflect that on myself.
There's a lot of enthusiasm and obviously showed their skills later on in the week. At the start there's a bit, you know, they just started, didn't really know what to expect, but I mean, once you sort of teach them your skills, they get the hang of it quite quickly, then they can obviously show us what they have learned, and they produced a lot of good work.
When they've seen the parts being built and the project accelerating, they've got more enthusiasm and willingness to finish job on time and in good quality.
It's new to them, they don't know how tight the tolerances are, how accurate it has to be. So we had a bit of an issue on the sizes, but I mean, once you teach them and you sort of tell them and explain to them how to overcome that, how accurate you have to be, and how well it's going to fit together at the end, and yeah, they obviously paid attention to what I said, they built it well, and at the end we had a good catapult and trebuchet. It was good fun. I mean, it's a lot different to your normal working week where you're sort of standing at the machine. You had a couple of kids which you obviously direct, you get to show them your skills, they get to show you theirs.
At the end of the project, one student mentioned to me that he does see himself working this sort of job in the future. He's mentioned to me that electrical side of engineering was more of his way, and it's their own passions what drives them here at the end anyway. I think some of them definitely going to apply for the apprenticeship because I think Skills Week showed them a lot about the other possibilities rather than traditional academic routes.